Have you ever been standing in line, ready to make a purchase, only to realize your wallet is empty? Or maybe you fumbled through your bag, desperately searching for your card as the cashier impatiently taps their foot. It's a frustrating experience, right? Well, imagine a world where you can simply tap your phone and pay. That's the magic of Apple Pay. And if you're a Koho user, you're in luck. Today, we're diving into how to seamlessly add your Koho card to Apple Pay. Let's get started. But before we jump in, let's talk about why you might want to do this. First off, convenience. No more digging for your wallet. Just grab your phone and go. Second, security. Apple Pay uses advanced encryption to protect your payment information. And third, rewards. Depending on your Koho card, you might earn cashback or other perks when you use Apple Pay. It's a win-win. Okay, let's get down to business. To add your Koho card to Apple Pay, you'll need a few things: your iPhone, obviously, your Koho app, and a good internet connection. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Trust me, it's worth checking. Outdated software can sometimes cause hiccups. Alright, let's assume you've got everything ready. The first step is to open your Koho app. This is your digital wallet, so let's make sure it's in tip-top shape. Once you're in, you should see your Koho card. Tap on it. This will bring up the details of your card. Look for something that says Add to Wallet or something similar. Tap on that. You'll be redirected to the Apple Wallet app. This is where the magic happens. Follow the on-screen instructions. It's usually pretty straightforward. You might need to verify your identity by entering a passcode or using Face ID or Touch ID. It's just an extra layer of security, so don't worry. Once you've successfully added your Koho card to Apple Pay, you'll see it in your Apple Wallet app. Give it a little tap to make sure everything looks good. If you see your card details and a shiny Apple Pay logo, you're golden. Now, let's talk about actually using your Koho card with Apple Pay. It's super easy. Just hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal. You might need to double-click the side button or use Face ID or Touch ID to authenticate. It depends on your iPhone model and security settings. There you have it. You've successfully added your Koho card to Apple Pay. Now, you can enjoy the convenience and security of contactless payments. But wait, there's more. Let's talk about troubleshooting. What if you're having trouble adding your card? First, check your internet connection. A weak signal can cause issues. Second, make sure your Koho app is up to date. Outdated apps can be buggy. Third, try restarting your phone. Sometimes, a simple reboot can fix weird problems. If you're still having trouble, Koho's customer support is usually pretty helpful. Remember, technology isn't perfect. There might be times when Apple Pay doesn't work. Maybe the terminal is broken, or there's a temporary glitch in the system. Don't panic. Just have a backup payment method ready, like your physical Koho card. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.